myself Raju, born in Hyderabad in 1987. I completed my B.Tech Mechanical from the St. Mary's College of Engineering Technology, JNTUH, for the Mechanical Department, in the affiliated to JNTUH University, and I completed my M.Tech from Machine Design in the JNTUH, Hyderabad, and have total 7 years of teaching experience. In 2013 onwards, I am an Asst Professor working in the various colleges. I have total different departments experiences. Totally, in the 7 years of teaching experience, I worked 3 years as academic activity in charges and 3 years from the examination branch activities. In that, I am the head of the examination branch as control of examinations, and I conducted various examinations from the state government exams as well as the central government exams. For that, I did as a chief superintendent for various examinations. I conducted biggest exam is nothing but Telangana State Public Service Commission exam for conduction of the police department. Totally 2,800 members. I conducted the examination on one day. That is a record in the Bharat Engineering College. I am in that. I am the chief superintendent for that, and I am the zonal in charge of chief superintendent examinations in Ibrahimpatnam zonal for 4 colleges. After that, I have the 2 patent rights. One is for the mechanical, one is from the CSE department, and when the CSE department is there, based on the artificial intelligence for making process of sanitizer, and I have the 2 papers published. One is for Scopus Index, and one is the IJMER, that is the international general only with a low impact factor, and I am working on one hybrid vehicle. It takes 2 years. Already 6 months completed. Some design part is completed. I have some more to design it. I have to go for some analysis is required. So in the 6 months period, I will complete, and I will go for the patent as well as I will introduce one new vehicle in the market, and that vehicle also will have the super specialized vehicle compared to all vehicles. In that also I have one part is got patent. That is the first mechanical patent I got, and after that I received a special memento award from the President of India in the 2006. The 2006 as a best project from APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and I received various awards from the different sectors in the zonal vices, and I did special protection award in the COVID period from district wise, and I did coming to myself moving vehicle. I want to plan next future, and this is my term plan in the future, and I am doing one research activity in the Sham University, Rajasthan, in the production. So for that, in the 2015, I completed one more M.Tech also. Why? Because to go for the production field, and in the various activities. I thankful to Tutors Pride for giving a good opportunity to me. I introduced myself, and I know from the last 2 years, I know the Tutors Pride and how it was there and how it works. What is the best to totally giving the teachers for specializations and their working principles. I thankful to everyone who given the opportunity to me. I thank to Tutors Pride. I thanks to each and everyone who given for submission. Thank you very much.